In this tutorial, we're going to have a quick look at how you can generate a QR code in Adobe InDesign. So I have my poster here which says smile, I have my arrow which I want to point towards my QR code, and I'm going to go to Object and choose Generate QR. And here I'm going to change the plain text to web hyperlink, and now I'm just going to create a fictive hyperlink, which you have to check if your hyperlink needs the HTTPS or whatever and check if it works. This is just a fictive hyperlink, smile.com. And I can also adjust the color I want it to be. So let's say I want it to be blue. And then we press OK. And now I can make my QR code the size I want it to be. So as you can see, I now have a QR code, but here I'm not really happy with the color. So if I select it and I right click, I can edit my QR code. And here you can also edit your URL in case it doesn't work. And you can edit the color. And I think for this one, maybe yellow would be better. Like that. And that way you can easily add a QR code to your designs in Adobe InDesign. QR code, Adobe InDesign. Really easy. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to like it. If you did, press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos going live every Wednesday and Thursday. For now, thank you for watching this video. Stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.